Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whose account this is and getting explicit consent. If the account is under a child profile, you need the parent to perform or approve changes. That's not negotiable. Once you have permission, verify the Roblox account age, sign an email, and the device model you'll use. Make sure the parent knows their platform password and can access the family settings on their device. This avoids guessing and prevents accidental lockouts later on. With the parent signed in, go to Roblox account settings and locate privacy and parental control sections. Change play restrictions only with consent. Next, on the device itself, open screen time, family link, or equivalent to modify app time limits. These controls override Roblox settings. Once done, sync or restart the device so new rules apply. Make sure to explain why the limit changes are made and set clear expectations together to avoid repeating the issue. Finish by testing. Launch Roblox and confirm the new playtime behavior while the parent watches. If limits persist, sign out and back in, update the Roblox app, and reboot. These steps often force policy refreshes. If that still fails, have the parent contact Roblox support or the device maker with account details and screenshots. Avoid third-party tools. One key troubleshooting tip: recheck any multiple family management apps. One app left active off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.